I'm not very sure. Oh, no, I lost it. This one is not my favorite. Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. I am Vasilikis and in this video we're going to test together the makeup products from the Maybelline Advent Calendar. A lot of you told me that you wanted to see a makeup look using all the products, and this is what we will do for this video. If you want to see all the cool products that we got in the Maybelline Advent Calendar, I will have a card here with the unboxing video so you can find it easier. Let me know in the comments below if you like Advent calendars, and also share this video with a friend that likes them. If you want to see more videos from me, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also click on the notification bell to get notified for my latest videos. And without further ado, let's get started with the review. I will apply this Baby Lips lip balm that we got in the Beauty Advent Calendar. This has a scent and a taste of pina colada. It's not something very irritating. For primer I have used this one. I will have everything in the description box below. We didn't get a primer from the Maybelline Advent Calendar. Let's continue with our foundation, and I'm going to use the sample of the Dream Cushion foundation that we got. This is in the shade 21. I'm not very sure if this is going to be my shade. This is the applicator that we get. So tiny! What is this? How am I supposed to apply product with this applicator? I have never used a cushion foundation. I'm not very sure. Oh, no! I lost it! All my product is in here. Okay, let's take it back. It is saturated, but I don't think that I have product for my whole face with this. I will just try to take a little bit of product with my tiny applicator. It's not bad, it's not very dark for me. What are your plans for Christmas, guys? Are you going to visit your family, your friends? I will be in Cyprus. We're going to my parents-in-law and we're going to eat a lot of food. What is your favorite thing about Christmas? For me, my absolutely favorite thing are some very specific cookies that we make in Cyprus and Greece, and these are called melomakarona. I can't wait to go to Cyprus. My mother is baking some for me and my husband, and I told her, send me a picture. I want to count them. Don't eat my cookies. This is not a terrible foundation. I just find it very comical that we have this applicator. Let me know if you have tried this one or if you have a favorite cushion foundation. I have never tried one, so let me know if you have a favorite. This doesn't smell nice. It's not the foundation, it's the applicator. I will take some with my Real Technique sponge. Yes, I can see more coverage now. I'm not hating the foundation, I like the coverage. For concealer, I will use the Fit Me Concealer by Maybelline, and this is in the shade 10. I didn't get this in the Advent Calendar. This is what I use all the time because it is amazing. In the Advent Calendar, we got the Dream Brightening Booster in white. This is a cream highlighter, and I'm going to use it on the highest point of my cheekbones. Let's see how it blends with the foundation. I think this one is a little bit lighter for me. It is easy to blend it with the foundation, however I don't see a very highlighting effect. We also got a creamy blush, the Baby Lips Balm and Blush. This is so cute. I'm going to use it on my cheeks. It doesn't blend very nice with my fingers, so I'm going to take my sponge. This is a very light shade. It is almost not visible. As I can see, the color is not very buildable. I don't think this will be very visible on a darker skin tone. It gives a shiny finish to the skin, so if you don't set your foundation with powder, maybe you will like this. So I will continue with my setting powder, contouring, blush and highlighter. These are products that I didn't get from the Advent Calendar, so I will list them in the description box below. Let's continue with the Brow Precise Perfecting Highlighter, and this is in the shade Light, and I got got this one in the advent calendar. I have done my brows off camera. I will have everything in the description box. With the tip of the product, I will apply some at the edges of my brows. I will blend it with my Kiko brush. This is 51. It gives a highlighting effect. I can do that with my concealer. I don't need an extra product for that. Let me know if you use this and if you like it. Let's continue with the eye makeup. We have two single eyeshadows, and I am going also to use some eyeshadows from this palette. This is the Burgundy Bar. A lot of you told me that you wanted to see a review for this one. I will start with this eyeshadow. This is the Color Sensational single eyeshadow in Nudist. With an eyeshadow brush by Essence, I will take some. Let's see if this is visible on my brow bone. Nope. I don't see a difference. Maybe you can use it to set your concealer if this is okay for your skin tone. I am going to take from the Burgundy Bar this eyeshadow here. It has a little bit of shimmer and I want to highlight my brow bone. Ooh, that's shimmery. Okay, I can see something. For my crease, I will take this light grey beige eyeshadow from the Burgundy Bar. I will use this brush that we got in the Beauty Advent Calendar. This looks like a big eyeshadow brush and also like a blending brush. The bristles are not very soft. They are a little bit stiff. I don't like this brush a lot because the bristles are a little bit sharp, so I will use another brush that it is very soft. I will use this eye blender brush by Essence. I don't want to scratch my eyes. Let's continue with the Master Kajal in Desert Brown. This was from the Advent Calendar. I will apply it in the outer third of my eyelid and I will blend it with my finger. This blended very nice. It is very creamy. Now it's time for this single eyeshadow. This is in the shade Bronze Addict. I have applied it all over my eyelid so you can see the color. As we can see, it is a light brown chocolatey eyeshadow. It has a satin finish and also some very fine peachy micro glitter. They are not very visible once you have applied the eyeshadow on your eyes. I will use this one for my lower lash line as well. With a pencil brush by Morphe, I will take some more of this eyeshadow and I will use it in my inner corner. No, this one is not visible on me. It is a very light beige eyeshadow. I will take this light beige. This one is a shimmery eyeshadow and I will apply it in the inner corner. Oh, it has micro glitter. Not my favorite type of eyeshadow. This is looking very chalky and powdery. Yeah, I don't like it. I will take this one that we have in the corner. I will take again the first eyeshadow that I have applied on my brow bone because I liked that eyeshadow. Okay, that looks nice. I will take this eyeshadow here for my lower lash line just to give a little bit of color because everything is so brownish. I will apply it only in the outer lower lash line. We also have an eyeliner. This is a Master Precise Curvy. I'm not used to this eyeliner. I will try to use it very close to my lashes. Wish me luck! I need some time to get used to it, but that's not a bad tool. Actually, I think it is very useful that it's not a very bendable applicator, so you can make your eyeliner straighter. In my waterline, I will apply a black eye pencil, the Colossal Kajal. This is a super black intense eye pencil. We will see in a couple of hours if this is going to stay in my waterline. To curl my lashes, I will use the lash curler that we got in the Advent Calendar. I'm not very sure if it is working. I don't see with the eyeliner. For mascara, I will use the Lash Sensational Volume Effect Mascara that we got. And this is not a black mascara, not a brown mascara. This is a gold black mascara. A lot of people love this mascara in black. Let's see how it looks in gold. Hi guys, it's been 5 hours and let's do the first check-in and let's see what happened with the eye products. As I can see now, my eye pencil is not smudge proof. It is not in my waterline anymore. About the mascara, I liked the applicator. A lot of times I don't like plastic spikes, but this one works very nice. You can see just a little bit the gold color on my lashes. It is more like it is not a very black mascara. It's not as gold as I thought it would be, but I don't mind that. For the eyeliner, I think that if I use it a little bit more, I will be able to use it easier. This doesn't give a matte black finish, but it is ultra black. It has just a light sheen. Once this eyeliner is dry, it is not easy to make any corrections. About the eyeshadows, the brown eyeshadow is okay. For this palette, I will continue using the eyeshadows. I like some of them, so I want to see how all the other eyeshadows are working for me. About the foundation, as I can see, it is just a little bit shiny. Until now, it looks very nice. I'm going to do another check-in for the foundation. On my lips, I have applied again this one here. I had it with me today. In the beginning, I didn't like it, but after a while, it melts and it is very moisturizing on the lips. And I have also used it when I went out and my lips were moisturized for at least an hour. Let's continue with the lip palette, and in this palette we have a primer. I will start with this one. We have 3 shades that you can use to line your lips and also 3 shades that you can use as a lipstick. We also get a little brush and also a creamy highlighter. I'm going to apply the lip pencil first, and after that I'm going to apply the shades for the liner and the color. This is the color Sensational Shaping Lip Liner in the shade 80 Red Escape. I will blend my lip pencil with the brush that we get. It's not very easy to outline your lips with this lip pencil because it is very creamy and it's not easy to apply it in precision. The tip of the pencil is not very thin and I feel that it is moving. After that, I will take this color here and I will apply it all over the lip pencil, and on the center of my lips I'm going to apply the Vibrant Red shade. The shade that I used to line my lips is not very creamy, and the lipstick that I have is creamier. I will continue with the next combination and I will not use the lip pencil this time. To line my lips, I will take this deep red cherry shade. With this brush, it's not very easy to outline your lips. I ended up using this liner shade all over my lips and it looks very nice. It's not that bad. The color is not very opaque. I will remove this one and I will apply the next shade. With this brush, it takes me forever to apply the lipstick. I will continue with my lip brush by Essence, that it works fantastic. About this color, again, it's not very pigmented when I press my lips together and I can see that I have some spots without color. I will continue with this dark aubergine purple lipstick. This one is not as creamy as the other liners and it intensifies the texture that I have. The color is not as dark as it looks in the pan and also it is a little bit patchy. Let's continue with this purple lipstick and let's see how it looks on the lips. This one also is a little bit patchy and it's not exactly what we see in the palette. All the lipsticks have a satin finish. I will use this dark purple lip shade to outline my lips, and also I will use the highlight and I will keep this combination for the wear test. I think this highlighting effect is not very visible with these lipsticks. I don't like the lipsticks. They are a little bit slippery. I'm not very excited with the lip palette. I don't like the formula of the liners or the lipsticks, and I also don't like the color selection of this palette. A lot of the shades are very similar on my lips. This one is not my favorite. Let's see now if the products are long lasting. Hi guys, it's been 4 more hours and let's see what happened with the foundation and the lipstick. About the foundation, as we can see, it creased a little bit in my forehead and also between my brows. I have a light sheen all over my face, but it doesn't look greasy and I look a little bit more shiny here. I am thinking that this is because I have also applied today the lip balm. About the lipstick, the color faded. The palette is not very convenient because we don't have a mirror in here. It is a little bit bulky to have into your purse. About the foundation, I like how it looks and I don't think that I have enough product on this sponge for another application, so I don't think I will use it again, but I like how it looks on my skin. This is the first time I have used a cushion foundation. It worked very nice. This advent calendar has a lot of new products for me, and let me know in the comments if you have tried any of these products and if you like them. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and also let me know in the comments below if you have tried any of these products and if you like them. If you want to learn more about makeup and also see some more videos from me, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and I will see you in my next video. Bye!